Hello everyone, how are you getting on? Are you all good today? I hope all of you are in good condition today. So first, let me introduce myself. My name is Nimade Krestis Rasti. My student number is 2013-011-026. And I'm from class 4C Pendidikan Matematika. So in this occasion, I'll be teaching you a maths about relation. So first we're gonna know about the definition of relation. So what is relation? Relation is relationship between member of a set with member of another set. The relation from set A to set B is connect the member of set A to the member of set B. So a relation can divide into two types. There are relations which are function and the relation which are not function. First, we're gonna know about relation which are function. Relation which are function from set A to set B is a relation which map every member of set A to exactly one member of set B. Relation which are function can be divided into three types. They are injective function, bijective function, and surjective function. Next is relation which are not function. Relation which are not function is relation which map every member of set A to not exactly one member of set B. It means every member of set A can be mapped to one or more than one member of set B. Okay, next is representing relation. There are three ways to representing relation. The first is arrow diagram, second is Cartesian diagram, and the last is set of order pair. First, we're gonna discuss about arrow diagram. So what is arrow diagram? An arrow diagram is often used to represent a relation. The relationship between set X in a picture and set Y is indicated by the direction of the arrow. Therefore, the diagram is called an arrow diagram. We can also refer to the member of the set X as the input and the member of set Y as the output. The direction of the arrow is always from the input to the output. So in the picture, we can see the direction is from set X as the input to set Y as the output. The corresponding X value in Y, the corresponding Y value in Y is described as the image of the X value of X. Next, we're gonna move about to example of arrow diagram. So there we have set A of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B of 1, 4, 6, and 9. I'm sorry, set B of 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Define relation of square number function with arrow diagram. So the arrow diagram is this. There is set A with element 1, 2, 3, and 4. This is set A is an input, and there is set B with element 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Set B is the output. So 1 is square number of 1. So 1 is related to 1. 2 is square number of 4. So 2 related of 4. 3 is square number of 9. So 3 related to 9. And 4 is square number of 16. So 4 related to 16. So, and next we're gonna move to set of order pair. So a set of ordered pair is the relation between two sets, for example, set A and set B. It can be expressed as an ordered pair with x, y, with x is element of set A and y is element of set B. So we're gonna move to example of set of order pair. So there we have set A of 1, 2, 3, and 4, and set B of 1, 4, 9, 16, and 25. Define the relation of square number function in a set of order pair. So we're gonna now in the statement of square number of 1 is right with 1, 1, and statement of square number of 2 is 4 is right with 2, 4, and the statement square number of 3 is 9 is right of 3, 9, and the statement square number of 4 is 16 is right 4, 16. So the conclusion of set is order pair for this relation is right 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, and 4, 16. Okay, the last we're gonna explain about Cartesian diagram. So Cartesian diagram is type of diagram consisting of a coordinate system of the x and y axis, where the member of set A as the first set are placed on the horizontal axis on the x or horizontal axis or x-axis. In this, the horizontal axis, and the member of set B on the vertical axis or y-axis. This is a vertical axis. Each member of set A is paired with member of set B is marked with a dot. So next is the example of Cartesian diagram. So we have set A of -3, -1, 0, 1, and 2, and there's set B of -2, -1, 0, 1, and 3. And there is set of ordered pair for this relation is -3, -1, -1, -2, 0, 0, 1, -2, and 2, 1. Define the relation in Cartesian diagram. So this is the Cartesian diagram of this relation. So there is coordinate of -3, 1. This is coordinate of -1, 2. And there is coordinate of 0, 0. And there is coordinate of 1, -2. And there is coordinate of 2, 1. So there are all my explanation about relation. We have to stop here. I'm sorry if I make some mistake when I explain about this lesson. I hope my lesson is useful for you all. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye everyone. See you on the next lesson. Have a good day. Thank you.